SAQ Inspire is about more than just points. Enjoy a highly personalized experience that will make you want to take discovery and sharing even further. This is your purchase profile. It paints a detailed picture of your tastes and preferences. Plus, you'll find a host of useful info like your favorite wines, spirits, and taste tags. Are you more Italian or Spanish? Share your profile with an in-store advisor so they can help you make the best choices. This is your purchase history. Forgot the name of your latest great find? No worries! Your history will help you quickly find all the things you've bought and liked. With the information gathered from your profile and history, we can create offers tailored to your tastes. Find them each week in your newsletter, mobile app, and online account. It's the quicker, simpler way to earn points. You'll be lowering your bill in a snap. Are you a fan of Cellier and Signature products? SAQ Inspire gives you preferential access to new arrivals under New Arrivals for Me. Receive notifications when products you've bought in the past become available again and make new discoveries thanks to suggestions based on your tastes. All this is available through an exclusive online presale. And these are SAQ Inspire events. They're your personal invitation to a one-of-a-kind experience. Keep an eye on your inbox to find the ones that suit you. You could take in a live show with food and wine pairings, attend a tasting with your favorite producers, and even fly off to the world's most beautiful vineyards. Remember to share your card with your advisor to get the most from your perks. So go ahead, enjoy the complete SAQ Inspire experience.